Starbucks bottom road. Them electricity down, so them could. So we're in Courts and we need to get some stuff for the apartment. I know what the credit them want iron, but that's not your concern. It's a dress from Gap. It's really cute. This is the back part looks. Rent, bills, food, life expensive out. My wallet. Take two is the public library. Cause at least have 120,000. Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy the vlog. It is a random week in my life, but remember to click and subscribe. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Bye. I want to show you how the full outfit is looking. I just have to check the lighting. So it's a dress from Gap. It's really cute. This is how the back part looks. Step back. And I'm going to put on some sandals. Let's go, let's get it. We have this assignment to get to. Let's get it. So we're going to go over to Starbucks, see? Oh, some bottom. Alright, so we have to take two because Starbucks bottom road, them electricity down, so they're not in operations today. Take two is the public library. Cause what? The homework I forget done, so make this work can go on. I have not been to the library in years, over a decade, probably. But it was so good to have Wi-Fi. Listen, Flo has been playing with my internet so bad. So I'm really grateful for the public library. Yeah, big up the public library. So I got some work done. Of course, I had to do some retail browsing. Not shopping, but browsing. Now let's head to Starbucks. Come on. Next stop, cottage juicy beef. Sorry, thank you.
I need your loving, so fresh, so clean. Loving.
So on my apartment hunting journey, this was the first apartment I went to. I must say I appreciated the fact that they had security at the gates. It was a gated community and all of that, but the condition of the spot was not what I wanted. So yeah, let's look at it. Still a bit soiled. I will say this, for this apartment, if you're not a picky person, if you just want to get out and be on your own, this will be suitable for you. If you want the details, I can give it to you, but for me, nah. No, probably I'm a bit picky, but like the aircon unit, right? It was dirty, it was old, and I was like, no. So yeah, it was just basic, like how the condition of the apartment was looking. And I will say, like, the bath, I don't know if it's a Jamaican thing, but back in the days everybody wanted a bath, I guess. But it's the maintenance of it. They were not maintaining this bath tub. They were not maintaining the floor. It was just like, come on. And they were charging, like, I think it's 50 grand per month. I think so. Are they 50? Something like that. The price was ridiculous in comparison to the condition of the place. This was a hotel, and it was not being properly maintained. I know they're like running it as an apartment unit. Yeah, that says enough. This one I have no hot water. The wire for the hot water. No. Okay. And then this is how the outside look. And I'll be over on this side, upstairs under. I don't know, I have mixed feelings. Let's go. Now, for this apartment, I will not lie, the cost was good in comparison to the fact that you're getting it furnished. But for me, again, I love a good sunlight. I like when the light is coming in. I like all of that. So this is where it was showing us that you get the furniture and all of that with the apartment. But I need sunlight, and this place was dark. Like it was on the ground floor, and I feel like I was in a hole. Like it was dark. So that is a drawback for me. And two, I would have to change the mattress because I'm not gonna sleep on nobody's mattress. But done with them days from Westwood. Boarding school was the last straw for me. Oh, and university. Yeah.
They can feel each other. What this is going to be painted.
Okay.
This is another diamond. This is
Yeah, but the place come furnished. Love that. Good location. The pricing was good. It was just that one thing where the sunlight was not coming in how I wanted it to come in. Yeah, I need sunlight. And then this is the kitchen. So you have a stove and a stove.
Stove works.
I'm just going to clean it up on it. Clean. And then you have a small cupboard.
So we're trying to get up. Working on a washer from the washing.
Washing machine, okay. And then you have a cupboard here. These drawers? No, oh. And then you have more cupboards here. I'm not chichi the mirror. As I not call it here.
No, okay, you want clean.
Alright, and then this is the sink. Water, no? And then this is the refrigerator. Okay. And then what is a back door?
This is where can leave outside.
Oh, okay.
So we're trying to
I never tried. They're trying to get a washing machine here. Okay.
So let me put a little inside. You want some light inside there?
Yeah. Are you say you're going to change out the bed?
No.
The mattress stay? You're going to change out the mattress or?
I think you should turn over the mattress.
Alright, so they have a chest of drawers here.
Yeah.
And then this is the bedroom area. We have a side table.
Same situation. There's a spray guy who's going to come and spray the bath.
Okay, and this is the bed. Focus, this is the bed. I'm going to put that. And then I have a cupboard.
This is a welcome closet and down there. So, because I'm just saying, closet.
Lately, I never seen a closet, no closet.
Right over the washing machine, you know, there's a little place there.
Yeah. Or you can put a handle. You put a handle behind it. And then another bathroom.
This spray guy can come in and spray the bath.
Oh, and then this is a bathroom. And a small. This is going to spray the bath. And the shower head. We have grill. And then the bathtub. I mean the toilet. And the floor is better. And then you have I have a mirror. So we're in Courts and we need to get some stuff for the apartment. Alright, so I found this one in here. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. It has a part here and I feel firm. And then the base, I'm going to talk about this is how the base look. Is a cloth there, this one. And the wood, like, It's like it's covered. The wood is covered with cloth. And this one. So this is how it look. Kind of nice. So we're trying to find a mattress and a bed frame. This one is nice. 110,000. Can't afford that. Let's see. I'm gonna find out still. I need to leave now because I have my assignment to go and do. So let's try one more. Oh, this was nice. That's nice. The Euro tops are nice. Let's go find. We need to find a sales rep, but we can't find a sales rep. So we probably have to just buy it online. And see this? It's having spring. I don't like the ones with spring. Look at this. This is nice. I just popping myself down on each bed. Yeah. Okay, let me take a picture of this real quick. Alright, so second drink of the day is going to be mango dragon fruit. And this is something hold on, I'm gonna fix my fingers. Oh, that's the autofocus. So if you're from OG, Papa Chulios, I don't know the name, but that restaurant is very popular, and I tried their beef pasta and it was really good. I also got a Christmas cake. I'm just coming in to tell you some of the stuff I've been eating. But yeah, anyways, back to the vlog. The fact that cheesecake price has gone up just not sit well with me. The fact that cheesecake price has gone up just not sit well with me. Something about that. Like what? I will never understand how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 grape costs $722 plus tax. 15 single grape. That's ridiculous. Okay, so I'm editing my video and I know I look kind of crazy, but put that aside. And I think I really need to talk about it real quick. When it comes on to finding an apartment in Jamaica, I really had to jump in to talk about it. Yeah, so as I was saying before, so when it comes on to renting an apartment in Jamaica, I would say, like, my advice, have your money. Like, have your money together, get your money up. That's one. And two, like, shop around. I notice that sometimes you can't find a good apartment in some places. I'm trying to get the best line, right? You can't find good apartments in some places because it's in the city center and so on. No, this is not nice. Okay, so I know it looks like a crazy right now. But don't mind my hair, don't mind how I'm looking right now. I'm just here to give some facts, right? When it comes on to renting an apartment in Jamaica, I would say don't let anyone force you or rush you into the process. Like, ensure you have your money together. I would say at least have 120,000. 120,000 depending on where you're looking to rent. 1, 2, like, look around. You definitely have to shop around. Don't feel pressured nor rushed to find a place real quickly. Like, just take your time, shop around. Don't mind the curtain at the background. Don't mind how I'm looking. Just listen to the facts. But yeah, take your time to shop around. And ensure that you're comfortable with the space, because at the end of the day you're going to be living in a space. Ensure you're comfortable with the space. And ensure that it has everything that you want. Ensure the space is conducive to you, because a lot of times these renters out here, these realtors, owners, them really take people for a joke. And especially when you're desperate or you're in need of one place, like them will throw anything in your face and expect that you should take it. Do not take it. Take your time, ask around, anybody you know, ask around, look around. That would be my best advice. I'm going to do a video talking about it, but I really wanted to drop that in because I was talking about apartment hunting in this video. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'll be giving a more detailed video soon. The last thing I will say, I know the curtain them want iron, but that's not your concern. Stay home, live with a family until you can live with them no more. That's how I'm gonna close out with, because rent, bills, food, life expensive out here. That's what I'm gonna say. And bye. Thank you so much for watching the video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. D loves you. Bye.